Hi everyone and welcome to Couture TV with Stephanie. This is episode 24 and it's a Christmas edition about hot foils. Now if you love this video, please click the link below and download the free printable PDF file and you can follow along and make this craft together. Let's get started. So today I'm using hot foils and these are our Christmas colors. This is a beautiful combination of Christmas colors, so that's what I'll be using today on my Christmas card. So let me put these aside and let's get started. Now, first up, I'm using a A5 piece of cardstock and I'm just going to score it. I just need my bone fold. I'm going to score it down the center and give that a fold. Let's put that aside. So today I'm using the adhesive paper. It's double-sided. You get 20 thin sheets in this. It's A4 in size. Let me show you how thin it is. It's quite thin. It's flexible. So it's a piece of paper inside with two sides that have double-sided tape. So with this, I'm going to use a triangle template. And I'm just going to trace the shape with a pencil and then just cut that out. And on this side as well. Okay. Now I'm going to bring my card back in. Now I'm going to pull one side off so it's sticky on this side, and I'm just going to center this so it's nice and straight and stick it down. So it's basically a sticker, like that. So with my ruler and pencil, I just want to draw like a zigzag shape so I can see where I'm going to cut. And another one around down here. So with my craft knife, I'm going to run it over where the pencil is, but I'm not going to dig it deep in. I just want to just gently cut the top layer. And then with my craft knife, I want to gently pull one side back. And when one part comes up, I'm going to pull it off. There we go. Just going to gently pull that off. So I reveal the sticky part, which is that part there. Go in with my green foil. It's Christmas green. I'm just going to cut a piece like that. Now with the foil, silver side down because I want the green to show. Now I'm only going to put one side down, stick it, and then gently with my finger just press over it like that and give it a little rub. You don't want air bubbles. Now when you peel this off, you don't want to pull up because when you pull up you'll miss some places, so you just want to drag it back just like this, down, low, and drag it back. There we have a reveal. So I'm up to the next part. I just want to drag my knife across gently, not too hard, because I just want to slice into the top layer and gently peel back until you can feel that you can grab it, just like that. Just going to make sure that's nice and straight there. Now I'm going to go in with another color. It's another green. It's a mint green. And I think it just looks beautiful with my Christmas green. Again, I'm going to cut another little piece. And I'm going to gently stick it and rub it all the way down like that. Make sure there's no air pockets in there. Give it a rub. And just gently pull back slowly. Gorgeous. Okay, again, just slightly drag the craft knife down and then try and peel back. There we go. And again, I want to go in with my Christmas green on this side. Just like that. And just pull it back. There we go. My last part, just going to peel this part back. It just needs some patience pulling it back there. Okay. I'm going to go in with my mint green. Oops. Get that air bubble out. Just rub over it and pull. Those parts I didn't get, that's okay, because I'm just going to go over it. It happens sometimes. We don't get the whole thing, but that's okay. This is easily fixable. There we go. So now we've got the base of our card. Now I'm going to use the foam mini dots in white. And what I'm going to use these for is to decorate the Christmas tree. And these are going to be the balls. So I'm just going to peel some back and place them on the tree. And then we're going to color them with some other color foils. So I'm just going to take some of these off and just place a few where the colors meet. And if you put them in the wrong place, that's okay, because you can move these around. Oops. And just a few more dots on the other side. There we go. So I'm going to use the gold and the red foil to decorate the balls. So I just need a little piece of each color. What a beautiful Christmas red. Now all I'm going to do is peel the top, and it'll be sticky, that part, and that's the part I'm going to decorate. So I'm going to put a little piece of foil on top. I'm going to press down and gently peel back. Isn't that pretty? And I'm going to do the same with every second one. Just going to peel back every second one. So I can do the reds first and just go in and color them. How easy and quick is that? And now I'll do the gold. One more here, and go in with the gold baubles. I just feel like these are really nice Christmas colors, but you can go with any color baubles you like. You can play around with it. There you have it, my hot foil Christmas card. If you like this tutorial, now you can download it in the link below and you can follow along. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next week. Thank you. Bye.